Hey y'all, it's Monique for TexasGalStudio coming to you with a little share and another video of the garden here in the front part of my home. So last week I created this little container, and my next project is to cover up that brick right there, which I used to elevate the container. I'm removing this. My husband doesn't want me to remove it, but I am removing it so I could place it somewhere else. I'm not sure exactly where I'm going to place it, but that palm tree is not what I envision here anymore. We did have a larger one, but the freeze of last year, well, it was sometime this year, right? It was like the beginning of the year. It was February, somewhere there. Took it, but that's the baby that's coming out, which is awesome. It's super cute, but I'm just going to remove it. Let me show you the other ones. I know I still need to get to this part, but see there, the palm trees, and that's how big the other one was. How that one survived, I'm not sure, but this one really took a toll. And so I'm just going to, like I said, remove that and put it somewhere else. But I did want to come back and cover up that brick right there with these little grasses. So these little grasses that I created this 2 containers with are not doing so well. I'm thinking either they're not getting enough sun or maybe too much water, and I think this spot right here is going to look really nice. So that's what we're going to do today. Okay, so I was not able to save the palm tree, and then in the video you probably see me look towards the camera because my husband's behind the camera already telling me like, you killed it, I told you not to remove it. Oh my gosh, I felt so bad because he really wanted me to place it somewhere else, but I'm like, I'm sorry. It is what it is. I thought I was picking up the roots of the palm tree, the baby palm tree there, and I was actually picking up the roots of the older palm tree. So that's where I messed up. But so yes, it took a little bit. I actually had to turn off the camera to continue digging those roots because those roots were just going. I mean, we had that, and that's the thing. He didn't want me to mess that up because when we moved in to this home, that was one of the first pieces that we actually dug down. You know, we actually planted. So it has sentimental value. I get that, but I didn't want it here. I wanted this to become now a display of fall, of Christmas, of, you know, I want to create something special for this because a lot of my pictures usually have this as a background. And so if I could set up something where this is the background and maybe put a chair and get the kids to sit down, or even if they're just standing up, whatever it is, this is gonna be a cute little focal point. And so that's where I'm going with this. Even though the palm tree would be beautiful, obviously, but I wanted something else there. So let's see how these guys do here. I put both of them here because I feel like they're a little bit more fuller. I did step on one of my flowers over here when my husband was talking to me, so you'll see me do like, oh yeah, I stepped on that. I'm trying not to step on my plants here. A lot of this have become very I guess wild, so to speak, because I just left them alone. During the summer, I'll just water and let them do their thing. I don't fuss with them too much. I want them to grow wildly, so I try not to trim as much and just let them do their thing. If you can see that runner right here, okay, let me get closer to this. I'm trying not to step on this. These right here, we've tried to get these to run and it's taken us so long. So finally they're doing their thing. So I'm just kind of tucking it under here. I'm going to come back and water this. I put some fresh soil there. This right here, we're so lucky that the one time that my husband planted this, they just kept going. And these come as bulb. I can't remember who gave him one of these. But so this one too, I think this is one of the first ones too that he planted. Did I put a stick here for a reason? Just to hold it up probably. So there's that. I'm trying to see a lot of baby plants coming out right now. See this? This is like a little baby plant here of this one. Other little bulbs coming out here. Just letting them do their thing. My husband is a lineman, so we'll have random insulators here and there. I kind of like to decorate with them. But yeah, I stepped on this and broke it. We'll just pull this one out. I need to paint this one again. We'll get to that. But okay, so let me just take pictures. I'm thinking of coming back and do brown mulch. We would do red mulch a lot. But I'm trying to stay away from the colored mulch now and just go very natural. So I will take pictures and show you what all this looks like.